Are you ready for an exclusive sneak peek preview of PURRADISE City? It's a 5,000 square foot CATstravaganza with interactive activities. Well, put down the catnip and follow me. Visit a cat lover's retro dream home. Discover the origin of the cat meme. Interact with some playful cartoon kitties. And delight in a room of infinite cat treats from Temptations. Don't miss your chance to experience PURRADISE City, only at CatCon. Get your tickets at catconworldwide.com. See you in PURRADISE!